at the end, once the last speakers have finished, if you can think about under trials and what kind of public interest litigation can be done for them in the state of Punjab, or perhaps even directly in the Supreme Court. If you can give some, I know your network there is legal aid to under trials all the time, right across in every district. But is there something where we can make a breakthrough, either in the Punjab and Haryana High Court or in the Supreme Court? Is there any issue relating to under trials which we should do? Subhashish? Subhashish from Masoom, the organization for West Bengal.
We all know that whenever a person is arrested, he has a right to move bail application to the magistrate, and magistrate will consider the materials on record and either give him bail or reject the bail application. But in our district, a very surprising system is followed. Like if you are arrested in case in connection with the equity case, you will not get bail until 40 days. In case of theft, you will not get bail until 28 days. Arms Act 28 days. Excise Act. If minimum 10 liters of liquor has been seized from you, you will not get bail until 14 days. And those who have money, this person have money, they go to a hard forum like district judge, session judge and high court, and making a formal rejection prayer to the magistrate, and they get bail from the high court or district session judge. And that is person who does not have any money, like those person in legal aid, they get no legal aid advocate, nothing. They are detained in prison for 40 days, 28 days or something like that period. And after that, one prisoner's application came from the prison that person is legal aid advocate. And the magistrate, considering that application, sent that application to legal aid authority, and that accused person get one advocate. And he makes that bail application. And the magistrate, if the magistrate rejects the application, the accused person has no option to move before the session court or the high court. There is no such bail application under 439 series. This is the situation. And we have hundreds of certificate copies along with the documents. We can show that these persons were in detention for more than 4 months to 5 months without having an advocate. After getting information, we file a bail application for them and obtain bail. And the surprising is that if the accused person get one advocate, and if the magistrate gives him PR bond, the legal aid advocate does not file any PR bond. Filing of PR bond requires no money, and only for non-filing of PR bond, that person again is detained for several months. You also have documents on that point. So there is a mockery of justice going on in the judiciary. No, there is no accountability. Their actions are not just, fair and reasonable. If there is option from the passive judgment, we find that if there is option to initiate legal proceeding against the magistrate, then we can each and every day, we can file at least 2 petitions against the judicial magistrate for not giving the accused person who need legal aid advocate, for not giving legal aid advocate to the accused person. So on the point of my submission that on the legal aid to the accused from the point of arrest, I would suggest that make it mandatory that whenever a person is arrested, to produce him before one person responsible from the legal aid committee before him. and to question whether he requires an advocate or not. And we, from the discussion, we found that there is one discussion about age memo, and there is also we have found that there is arrest memo. So we can think that there may be a legal aid memo. We can think about that. And the most important is that they are in our West Bengal, the most sleeping body is the legal aid committee of High Court. There is no such application, there is no consideration to need before the High Court, either on the question of bail or bail application or trial. And a district session court also. And I think that bail legally should not be constrained only on the point of bail. It should be liberalized till and continued till dispose of the trial. And like I was listening on the discussion, and I found that there is a discussion of foreign nationals detained in jails. There is so many juveniles also detained in jail, and there is one guideline from the Home Ministry that juveniles who are detained in jail should not be prosecuted, must not be prosecuted. Immediately, they should be repatriated to their home country. It is also not followed in this West Bengal also, and yes. So we also generate the legal aid on this point that whenever children from a foreign country is arrested, he or she should be repatriated to his home country immediately from the point of view of his arrest. Thank you.